Acorns versus Robinhood, best investing app for small budgets. Investing can feel overwhelming, especially if you're starting with a small budget. That's where Acorns and Robinhood come in, both which is better for your money. In this video, we'll break down Acorns versus Robinhood and help you decide which platform is best investing app for small budgets. We'll cover everything from how they work, fees, their features, and who should use which. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check them out. And so, the first thing that I want to talk about is what are Acorns and Robinhood. Acorn is a micro investing application that helps you invest spare change automatically. It's built for people who are new to investing or don't want to think about it too much. Now, Robinhood is a commission-free trading platform where you can invest in some stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto manually. It gives you more control and real-time market access. Basically, both are beginner-friendly, but they are very different in how they help you grow your money. Once again, when it comes to Acorn, it will invest your spare change automatically, while on Robinhood, you will be able to invest in stocks, ETF options, and crypto manually, which will give you more control. From there, let's talk about the signing up and onboarding process. With Acorns, you can sign up, link your bank account, and the application starts rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference into a diversified ETF portfolio. Now, Robinhood has a more traditional sign up. After verifying your identity like your government ID, you can get access to a trading dashboard and can manually buy and sell assets, no roundups or automation. And so if you want to set it and forget it, Acorns is ideal. It's automatic and you don't have to think about it too much. If you want control and manual use, Robinhood has the answer. From there, let's also talk about the investment options. Basically, Acorns offer automated portfolio based on your risk tolerance. You can pick individual stocks, and it includes retirement accounts and custodial accounts for kids. Now, Robinhood's investment options is you can pick your own stock like Apple, Google, Windows, and more. You can pick your ETFs and crypto. They offer IRAs, margin trading, and cash card. And lastly, they are more flexible but more responsively. So if you want simplicity, Acorns is the answer, but if you want flexibility, Robinhood will do the trick. From there, we then have the fees and minimums. Now, Acorns have $3 per month for personal plan. It includes the investing, retirement, and checking. They have no commission fees, no minimum to open, but recurring investment starts at $5. Now for Robinhood, they have $0 monthly fee, no trading commissions, and optional Robinhood Gold for $5 a month for extra features like margin. Now, the winner for low budget is going to be Robinhood because they have no fees if you stick to the basic features. From there, let's talk about the features for small investors because we are talking about small budgets. Now, Acorn is packed with beginner-friendly tools like the automatic roundups, found money rewards, it's a cashback when you shop, you have recurring deposits, and educational content that you can use especially if you're a beginner. Now, Robinhood have real-time trading, you have fractional shares, you can buy part of a stock for at least $1 and above, you have watch lists and price alerts, and basic stock research tool. Acorns is passive while Robinhood is hands-on. And so you're seeing the pattern here when it comes to Acorn. It's basically a set it and forget it. It's automatic, it's passive, and you don't have to think about it too much. But when it comes to Robinhood, it's all manual and hands-on. So as I've said earlier, it fits different users. Let's also talk about the education and learning tools. Now, Acorn offers bite-sized financial advice in the application. And you also have automatic recommendation based on your goals. Now, Robinhood offers a full Robinhood Learn platform. You have in-depth articles, video, and newsfeed for your educational and learning tools. And so, if you're just getting started and want to learn passively, Acorn works well. But if you want to study and grow as an investor, Robinhood is stronger. Now, the last topic that I want to tackle is going to be the safety and the account protection, because that is one of the most important aspects when it comes to our money and banks. Now, both platforms are SIPC insured for up to $500,000. Both platforms are, or they use bank level encryption, and they are secure and regulated in the US. They have no major concerns on the security front or for either. Both are safe for new investor. And so, which one should you choose? You simply want to choose Acorn if you want to invest automatically with your spare change, if you're not interested in actively managing investments, and lastly, if you're focused on saving and building a habit. Now, you want to choose Robinhood if you want to pick your own stock or crypto, if you prefer no monthly fees because, once again, they are budget friendly, and lastly, if you're willing to learn and take control of your financial investing. Basically, it all comes down on what type of investor you are. Do you want to set your account and forget about it and let it grow on its own? Then Acorns is the answer. But if you want to take the matter into your own hands, study, learn, make some mistakes, repeat, then Robinhood is the answer. And so, which application wins for the small budget investor? Acorns is best for passive automated investing, while Robinhood is best if you want active control without monthly fees. They both help you get started with very little money. It just depends on your style and goals. Once again, Acorns, automatic, Robinhood is going to be hands-on or manual. So that's our video or topic for today. If this video helped you choose your application or your investment application, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and drop a comment. Are you Team Acorns or Team Robinhood? Now, once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.